And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who was nice enough to send us, you can't tell by this bag, a set of, can you tell yet? These are ski goggles. So inside of here, there we go, got a nice little carrying case with the company logo across the front there, very nice. And then these are the actual ski goggles. As you can see, nice stretchy goggle band. Wow, can peel out our film there. Love how soft the inside of this is. This feels super soft. Very nice leather. Tag. Gotta say, very, very good feeling quality, and I love this like gold look they have. Lastly, there's another little carrying case there. That's essentially what comes in this package and what these snow goggles or ski goggles, whatever you'd want to call them, would look like. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me so that I could box and show you everything you get here. These feel amazing. I'm not a professional in terms of ski goggles, but you know, you've got some grip in here where these aren't going to come off your head. Tons and tons of padding and the ability to be able to see straight through here with no problem, I think. So very, very nice. That'll do it for this one. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.